In this video, we'll show you how to install Chatroom for free on your website. In here, I'm using WordPress. And for the Chatroom, this is private Chatroom and public Chatroom. For the private Chatroom, we will using Talk.to. Okay, you can see here, this is Talk.to. And you can open this website and you can click register here on this website. Okay. After that, you can click in the properties, just click next. And this is the site name. Okay, for example, let using the site and the site's URL, we can just copy this. And for widget name is just type up just widget, then click next. For the team member, okay, this is the admin, then we can next install the widget. Okay, this is the code that we can place in every page or our WordPress, okay, or our website. You can place anywhere here. Just copy this. Let's place this chat into the page. I will create chat box here. For example, I place in the page chat, and in here, because it's easy to place the HTML on the WordPress, just type custom HTML here and paste the chat here, and we can click publish. In here, we can view our page, and in here the look likes the chat from Talk.to into our website. This is the private chats. Okay, we can chat here using website visitor, and you can open your dashboard here, and we can just no thanks. Okay, and when people opening your website and chat into your website, you can reply in the dashboard. Okay, for example, let's open our page to another browser. Okay, this is I'm using Microsoft Edge, and I will try to chat from our website here. You can using whitelist if you have a premium subscribe to the Talk.to. Click new conversation, just for example. Hello, admin. We can just click enter. You can see our PC is ringing here because there is chat. Okay, and in here we can see our message, and you can see there, this is our dashboard, and we can reply this. For example, hello to hello, what we can help, and this is the replay, and it's very easy to use Talk.to for our website. And for public chat, we can using cbook.vs. Okay, just open in Google. Okay, you have two options. You want to choose Talk.to or public chat using cbook. Okay, and cbook live chat here, you can just click my cbook, but first you need to register. Create new gbox and cbook name, for example, just like this, and then the website URL, for example, is subject.com. I will close the Talk.to because it's done. And for the theme, let's select another, for example, Obsidian. Okay, then click create my gbox. Selecting cbook for free because we need to let it free, and you can adjust whatever here, your cbox link, and also You can also change the option emoticon and theme editor. You can also edit your theme here. After you are done with everything here, you can just click publish and get your code. Make sure your website is right in here. Click save. And this is you can using iframe, for example, or if you want using button, just click this, but I want using inline. And then in here we can just paste on our website. Let's place in the second page below the talk to, and we can update the page and we can view our page here. As you can see, you have the option to place the chat rooms on your website. Okay, for private, we suggest you to using talk to, and for public chat, you can using cbox. And this is very beautiful. For example, you can also change the avatar here by clicking this button, and with the URL PNG or JPG, you can change your avatar. You can also using smileys in here. Okay. For example, you can change the color of smileys also. If you go to your control panel, for example, option emoticons, you can using another color, for example, using orange. Just use this set, and if you reload your page, okay, I will reload my page, and you can see there our uh, smileys is become orange. And that's all tutorial how to installing chat rooms for free on your website. Hope this video helpful for you.